runner kan selalu dia orang kena show off kasut dulu kan.
Di sini ke?
Macam ni. So kita pun kena show off juga.
Floor. Still going.
10th floor, still going.
124 steps.
202. Let's go, Mika. Dah lebih daripada Batu Cave. Mika. Let's go. Strong. Okay, ke atas ni kita enjoy the view. Sikit lagi. Sikit lagi. Final. 19th floor. Wah, ni lock. Kita boleh naik atas ni. It's lock. Kita kena turun. Boleh buka. Cepat. We are here.
Which floor? So tall.
Look at the view. So high. Kan? Kan so tall. Habis. 18. Berapa minit? 18th floor. 4 minit berapa tadi?
4 minit 48 second.
Wow. Tadi kita buat apa? 10 minutes. 10 minutes lah. Minus turun tadi. Tunggu Mika. Best. So berapa steps?
338 times 2
338.
times 2.
Wow. 76.
Enggak.
Okay, sekarang kita turun. Turun pun exercise juga. We hold our weight. Okay dah. Tangga dah. Now, let's go. Yang faham lah. Okay, rehat jap. Then kita marathon swimming pula.
Round rumah ni 2 round naik tangga first floor to 19 swim 10 round.